TR tag. Okay.
TR tag.
आवाज. No need to talk anything. Okay. Now next, see, this is the notepad. Now I will open simple HTML code. Are you able to see everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now keep quiet. Now keep quiet, everyone. See, this is the HTML, then head, then title, creating a table, head close, body, start. Now table border 1. This is the size of table border. What? This is the size of table border. You can see about that size properly. I will show you about this. Now downside, TR means table row. We have to create table row properly. Then we have to define the data in that table. First serial number, then second name of the subject, third maximum number. यहाँ पे देखो सारी चीजें, TR, then TD, SR number, then TD closed, then TD again start, name of the subject, then TD close, then TD again start. These are
TD
the
means
TD means define the data. जो हमें डेटा डालना है टेबल में, जैसे हम ऊपर हेडलाइन देते हैं ना, सीरियल नंबर, नेम, मार्क्स, सब्जेक्ट नेम, दैट इज द TD. ओके. Now TR, TD1 English, 1 is a serial number, English is a subject name, and maximum mark 100. Same regarding mathematics. And then table tag close, then body close and HTML. Now this is the program I have written. Okay. Now you have to save this. First click on file menu, then click on save as. Then we have to write here name of your page, table dot, don't forget to write this dot HTML or HTM, and save as type all files. Keep in your mind, don't forget to save as all files. After that you have to go here, means where you want to save your web page. That is the important part. If you want to save on desktop, you have to click on desktop. If you want to save in computer, it means any D drive, E drive or C drive, any drive you can save. Your voice is not clear. Other students, are you getting my voice properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. See, where you want to save your web page, you have to select that. I have selected desktop, table.html, then all files, and save it. Yes? Save. Once you are saved, 600. Okay. Once you have saved that file will display on the desktop. You will get here. See, this is the table. This will convert Awaz. This will convert into our web page. See, open it, click on open with Google Chrome. Once click on that, you will get your tables here. Got everyone?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
What I
sir.
have done,
Yes,
listen,
sir.
what I have done, check
Yes,
it.
sir.
See, everything I have done here, all these points. First program I have typed here, whole program. Then I have saved with .html extension. Then that program I have saved on desktop. See, here, this is the table. You have to open it properly on Google Chrome. Let's say open kiya, you will get your table. Got this? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
next point,
sir.
Next point, this is the simple table creating. Now next point, some attributes of table we have to see in this point. I think you should be in mute condition, everyone. Yes. Okay. Now see. Now next th. Next tag is th tag. See, th tag is used to place of td. Used to place of td tag to create a header data cell. Header data cell means upsides data. It will show the text in header cell in generally displayed in bold. It will be displayed in bold. We'll see in that next program. Next, the caption tag is used to give title to the table. Caption tag is used to give the title to the table. This tag should be used must after the table tag. This both tag we have to use after the table tag. This is the important things. The attributes of table tag are as follows. Some attributes we have to see, like our other attributes. First, align. You know everyone. You have to specify the table where you want to display. Means in right side, left side, top, bottom, or middle. Means in center. That is for alignment. Now height means you want increase or decrease your table height, row or column row height. Width, you can increase or decrease your table width. Then busy color, you can give the color, background color to that table. That is the busy color. Background, see difference between busy color and background. Keep in your mind. Busy color, it will give only set the background color only, and background attributes it is used for set the background image. So don't confuse about that. Now cell spacing, cell spacing, cell spacing, extra space between adjacent cell, extra space जो है वो adjust करेगा. That is cell spacing. Okay, now cells padding, जो cell के बाजू में specify extra space around the content of a cell. जो cell के बाजू में है वो उसको extra space जो वो automatically specify करेगा. That is the cell padding. These are the attributes from the table tag. Now we will use in our program. I will show you one by one. First, same program we have to keep as it is. See here. Table border 1 space. Next tag we have to use attributes, that is the cell spacing equal to 10. Then cell padding equal to 15. Then busy color equal. Now here you can write down color code also, and you can write down directly name also. Okay, as per you, if you know the color code of any color, you can write down color. Otherwise, you can directly write down name. Suppose I will write here red. Okay, return this all attributes in that tag. Same thing you can use. Now next, after this, you have to write down here caption of your table. Caption, marking scheme. Caption. Okay, done. Then serial number, all these things we have used here. Yes. Now save it. Same program. That's why I just click on save button. Now we have to open this table web page. You will get different types of this scene. Wait. Okay, see here. Once again, I will save it properly. Otherwise, you can save like this. Save as table.html. Same all, and then you can click on save. It will be exist. Just okay. Yes. Then you have to open it properly. What is the reason? Okay, we'll keep here same code. What will happen? 39 BD3. Okay. Which color? Suddenly it will be. Okay, now see, suppose I want search anything. That time I can search, suppose HTML program. When I search here, then what will come? See, this is the blue color text are here. What will come? These are the hyperlinks. Once you click on this, you will get another page. See, I will show you HTML example W3 schools. Once you click on that, you will get another page. See here. Means what? This page is linked with another page. That is called hyperlink. Hyperlink काम क्या का है? एक पेज से दूसरे पेज को कनेक्ट करना. That is the hyperlink. Simple सी बात है. In that anchor tag, a hyperlink can be created using the anchor tag. Keep in your mind, underline that tag. That is anchor tag. हाइपरलिंक अगर आपको क्रिएट करना है तो कौन सी टैग यूज करना है? एंकर टैग. द href attributes of anchor tag is used to specify the URL or path. क्या करना है अभी देखो यहाँ पे. और हाइपरलिंक is two types. That is external and internal. हाइपरलिंक कैन बी एक्सटर्नल और इंटरनल. अभी यहाँ पे ध्यान दो, अभी आपको पूरे पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं. एन एक्सटर्नल हाइपरलिंक लिंक्स टू अनदर फाइल while an internal link is linked to a named location within the same file. Keep in your mind. एक्सटर्नल फाइल क्या होती है? लिंक टू अनदर फाइल. एंड इंटरनल क्या होती है? लिंक्ड टू अ नेम्ड लोकेशन इन द सेम फाइल. जो फाइल में ही फाइल है उसको लिंक करने के लिए जो लिंक होती है दैट इज द इंटरनल. और एक लिंक से दूसरे लिंक को कनेक्ट करने के लिए दैट इज द एक्सटर्नल. ओके. नाउ एक्सटर्नल लिंक कैसे क्रिएट होती है देखो यहाँ पे. ए मींस एंकर टैग. href sample.html, go to the sample page, anchor tag close, will display the link as shown when you point to link. अभी मैं आपको एक प्रोग्राम करके दिखाता हूँ. यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. अभी लिंक क्रिएट करना है. ये देखो, यही लिंक मैं यहाँ पे कॉपी कर रहा हूँ. दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? मैंने यहाँ पे कॉपी की. सी है, कॉपी कर दी. अभी मैं नोटपैड ओपन करूंगा. सी, नोटपैड ओपन. यहाँ पे सारे चीज आपको लिखना है. सिंपल सी बात है, ध्यान देना है. HTML लिख दिया, हेड लिख दिया. You have to write down title also. Then in title क्या लिखना है आपको? Creating
Sir, it is black. Can't see.
हाँ,
Sir, can't see the screen.
Not visible, sir.
not visible.
Sir, it is
Yes, sir,
blur.
only not pad only.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
HTML. In that head tag, then title, create or creating hyperlink, then title, close, head tag should be close, then you have to start body, done, then we have to use which tag? Anchor tag. How it is used? Like this, AHREF equal, now paste here this link I have copied from net, paste here, double quote must be closed, then you have to this, go to this page, then you have to close a tag, means anchor tag, then close body tag, okay, then you have to close HTML, done, okay. Now see here, this is your program. Now save it properly, don't forget to save it, hyperlink dot HTML, don't forget to write dot HTML, click on that, your program saved, go in here, now open it. Now see here, go to this page. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Now go to this page. Once you go, check here. Your mouse cursor will be changed. Automatically show hand symbol.
Sir, it is
correct?
not.
Huh?
Sir, your screen is stopped. It is
The
not
screen-
coming.
It is not
Screen stopped. Pad only.
Now next thing, click on, go to this page. Once you click on that, you will get directly that example, which I have opened in previous. Got this? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Creating hyperlink
Yes.
with different images or different tags, you can open anything. Understood about this, everyone?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now in that, we have to see internal link. Next point, we have to see internal link. What is my internal link? See, internal links are linked to a part or section of the same document. Before creating an internal link, we need to name the part or section to be linked. The name attributes of the id tag is used to define name for particular section in a web page. Add the following tags, placed the required naming. You have to add this properly. Now add the following to create a link to the name part. We have to add one section in that proper. Okay. Now see here. If you want to add something in your link, you can add from here like this: a name, Awaz, name equal, in bracket, sorry, in double quote section 1, then double quote close, then a tag must be closed, done. Now write down here section, go to section 1. This is the internal link. See here, same things we can use for our href. I have copied it, pasted. Now here AHREF equal section 1 then go to section 1 anchor tag closed. Okay, now what will happen, we'll see here. Once you save it, क्या आएगा देखेंगे यहाँ पे. See, go to section 1, click on that. Nothing in this. कुछ है क्या सेक्शन 1 में? कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं.
हमने कुछ लिखा ही नहीं है सेक्शन 1 में. ओके, तो इसे क्या करना होता है वो ध्यान दो. अभी जब हम किसी एक फाइल से दूसरी फाइल को लिंक कर रहे हो, that time we have to use different types of. See, if I use this in section 1, okay, then it will open automatically other files. Suppose one program I have typed, that is सिंपल, और एक प्रोग्राम हम यहाँ पे टाइप करेंगे. See, इसमें और एक प्रोग्राम का टाइप मैं नाम अलग दे रहा हूं यहाँ पे. ये सब हम निकालेंगे. ओके, AHREF as it is same. इस फाइल का नाम दो सेक्शन 1. सेव करो. सेक्शन 1 डॉट HTML क्लोज. सेव करो. डेस्कटॉप पे सेव हो जाएगी. सेव हो गया. अभी जो हमारी पुरानी फाइल थी कौन सी, हाइपरलिंक, अभी ध्यान देना, ओपन हो गया. इस फाइल को ओपन करो. ओपन विथ नोटपैड कर दिया. जैसे ओपन किया, यू हैव टू गिव हियर लिंक. यहाँ पे देखो, ये जो हमने पुरानी लिंक दी थी, सेम लिंक यू कैन टाइप हियर .html. सी href .html दिखा जा रहा है यहाँ पे. सेम थिंग्स I have given here. Now it will save it properly. Now
So we have to save or save as?
save first, because previously I have saved it, na? That's why. Okay. Now click on go to section 1. Now go to the page. दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पे, देखो अभी. अब ये क्या क्या किया ध्यान देना है. पहले हमने क्या किया, सेक्शन 1 की फाइल वेब पेज अलग बना दिया, उसको हम हाइपरलिंक दे दी सेक्शन 1.html पेज. उसमें हमने क्या डाला है, ये दिस पेज, ये लिंक है वहां पे. ओके, अभी ध्यान देना है, दिस इज द हाइपरलिंक फाइल. अभी सेक्शन 1 में जो फाइल थी, सेक्शन 1 में क्या है, ये हमने दिया है, ये लिंक दी है. करेक्ट? ये समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
ओके, नाउ ये दो फाइल है, सेक्शन 1 और हाइपरलिंक. जैसे आप हाइपरलिंक पे क्लिक करोगे, यू विल गेट गो टू सेक्शन 1. दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पे? यस?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? Now click on
Yes,
that.
sir.
Click on that. Now next link will open in front of you. That is the go to this page. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Click on this. Now you will get your link. I hope you understood about these whole things.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.